Half of Ana and Soraya Fire po, dun sa may mga konting edad na po, baka maaalala nyo pa ako. Ana and Soraya po. Yung mga bata naman, hello? I know that you don't know me anymore, but this afternoon is very special. Can I have your attention, please, everybody? Because this song is an original song that we wrote, yung composer tsaka ako. And this song is a gift to our tatay, our beloved Tatay Digong, and Inday Sara. Senators, mga idol ko po. And I can see Dr. Lorraine Badoy also here. Banat Bay, yung si Boss Dada, and all these people na nakikita ko lang talaga sa TV. Ngayon nakikita ko na ng live. Ang aking idol po, si Congressman Marcoleta, nandito, and then syempre po si Attorney Vic Rodriguez na paboritong-paborito ko po. Si Senator Bato, nandyan din. Anyway, wag na po natin pahahabain. Ito pong kanta na to is a gift from Reforma Pilipinas under Miss Vivian Velez. Maraming salamat, Miss Vivian. Thank you. And for everybody, sana po makinig kayo. Ilang minuto lang po ito, 3 minutes. Maestro? Pakilakas lang ha. Hindi yan, hindi yan. Okay, lakasan mo ba?